So, evening guys. So, good evening guys. In this evening, we talk about if else statements. By the way, my name is Oliver. BSI is 1B. So, we can start. Okay, let's go. If else statements. An if statements can be followed by an optional else statements. Pag yung if statements daw guys ay ma-follow by an optional else statement which executes when the Boolean expression is false. Syntax: the syntax of an if else statement is programming language is ito yun guys. If Boolean expression is will be executed if the Boolean expression is true, else it will be executed if the Boolean is false. If the Boolean expression evaluates to true, then the if block of code will be executed. Otherwise, else block of code will be executed. Pag nag-true daw yung if the Boolean expression will evaluate to true, pag nag-true daw dito guys, if block of code will be executed, matatanggal yun guys. C programming language assumes any non-zero and non-null values as true, and if it's either zero or null, then it's assumed as false value. Flow diagram. Ito yun guys. Ito yung start guys. Start. Then, condition. Mag-decision din siya dito guys. Pag true yung condition niya guys, magpa-process siya dito. Dito guys, magpa-process siya dito. Pag false guys, else code siya dapat. Magpa-process siya dito guys. Then, end of the flowchart. Example. Ito yun guys, yung code. Yan yung code. Ito yung code guys. Yan. Yan. Yan guys. Code. When the above code is compiled, the executed is processed, it produced the following result. A is the less than 20, value of A is 100. Then guys, ito. Close the IO int main. Check the Boolean condition. The else statement. An if statement can be followed by an optional else statement, which is very useful to test various conditions using else statement. When using else statements, there are few points to keep in mind. An if can have 0 or 1 else, and it must come after any else ifs. An if can have 0 to many else ifs, and they must come before the else. Once an else succeeds, none of the remaining else if or else if will be tested. Pag yung else if na isa ay nakuha niya guys, yung nag-remain na else if or else will be tested. Magagamit niya guys. Syntax. The syntax of if else statement is programming language is yung code guys. Executed else if Boolean expression 2, execute when the Boolean expression is true. Pag nag-true daw yung else if na Boolean expression 2 is true. Else if ayun guys, yan yung code. When the above code is compiled and executed, it produces the following result. Ito yun guys. Ito yung result. Sa code dito guys. Ayun. Gumalaw yung video. Yan guys. So, yun lang yun guys.